Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can duplicate a tab that is open in the Shift AI browser. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so launch the Shift AI browser and there's the function to duplicate an open tab. For example, let's say for instance you accessed the AI chat here on Shift AI browser. What you need to do is right click into the given tab and choose duplicate. And that is going to open the tab as you can see here. However, for some reason it duplicated this one, so let me duplicate that one. And as you can see, the Chrome web store has been opened in a new tab here, and you can do that with any other tab except the AI chat here, because you will need to access it by clicking into this button here. So that's how you duplicate tabs in the Shift AI browser. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.